In this video, we are going to learn about a technique which is somewhat similar to revision back criteria. Both techniques share the same purpose. The only difference is in revision back criteria, you ask LLM to rate the output based on some criteria, but over here in this technique, you ask LLM but in this technique, you ask LLM to give feedback on its own output for errors, gaps, or any unsupported claims. In short, this is another technique which helps you bring in quality in the output you get. Let's get a clearer understanding of this technique using an example. Let's take a situation where I'm making my LinkedIn profile and I want to write a LinkedIn bio for me. I've been working as a financial analyst, so instead of writing it myself, I ask LLM to write a 50 words long LinkedIn bio for a mid level financial analyst. It has given me a LinkedIn bio. I'll have to read it, I'll have to recheck if there is any assumption or any error in the output, and then I'll have to rewrite the LinkedIn bio myself in order to bring in the corrections. I'll also have to read it multiple times in order to check if it is a good LinkedIn bio and if it is really going to impress the visitors of my profile. So instead of doing this all myself, I'll use self-critique technique and I'll ask ChatGPT to do this all for me. I'll feed the output back in LLM. Now I'll ask it to critique as if you are a LinkedIn user and you're reading this bio. How do you feel? Is it too generic? Does it highlight real differentiators for fintech transition? And suggest two revisions to make it more compelling for hiring managers. Now let's see what is the feedback that it gives. It says the LinkedIn bio is slightly generic, also tells what are the points that sounds generic. It also tells that it doesn't highlight any real differentiator because it does not talk about any specific skill related to fintech. And in the end, it is suggesting me two new versions of the LinkedIn bio, both with specificity and real differentiators. So whenever you get output from LLM next time, before giving your feedback, ask LLM for its own feedback and then ask LLM to tweak the output according to its own feedback. The final output, you can incorporate your feedback.